tuning in, and if you are new here, you're very much welcome. My name is Priscilla and I do lifestyle videos, and today's video is all about my closet. I remember last year I posted in my channel my home sneak peek video, and guys were asking, oh, can you make a closet tour, can you make a closet tour? Let's say I was not ready until now. Even right now, it's not completely finished. It's still not that perfect the way I wish it to be, but I think it is presentable. So guys, if you're interested in this kind of video, keep watching. My closet is a walk-in closet system, and I got mine from Ikea. It is the Ikea Pax system. This system is very famous. If you check on YouTube, you'll find it. If you go to Ikea directly, you'll find it. Many homes. I think it's just a very practical system, and I personally love it. I have how many segments? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 segments. I didn't build my closet just once. I didn't go to Ikea and bought everything at once. I kept saving money and building it slowly, and I will say I'm almost done, and I don't even have more space. If I had more space, I would expand it, but I don't have more space. But within what I have, there are still things to be done. Yeah, so let's get started with this video. So guys, we are just going to start with the first segment. This is where I have my trousers. I'm just going to show you step by step this system. So you just pull it out and then you have your trousers. I don't have all my trousers here. I just have just a few, but I really like the system. I wish I had more space for this kind, so I would have more. And then just put it back, and here I just got a segment that I'm actually not yet sure what exactly I want to do here. At the moment, I just have my body creams and just a lot of nothing actually. But yeah, I'm still thinking of what to do there. And then here is where I have my skincare products, just some of them, my perfumes, as you can see. And guys, it does not come with this mirror. I just bought the mirror separately and had it fixed. My husband fixed that, and then the park system just come with holes where you can just put shelves and so on, and I didn't want that to be seen here, so I just requested my husband to put a wallpaper. So this is a wallpaper. Actually, I don't have enough space. I have a lot of skincare products. I love skincare, so I'm actually thinking of putting more shelves. Yeah, so that is still to be done actually. And then we continue to the next segment, and that is where I put my bright stuff, things, just blouses and dresses. I have managed this closet with colors, as in I have the bright colors, dark colors, and very bright colors alone. So these are actually my white stuff, and then we go to the pinkish stuff. I don't have a lot of pinkish stuff, but yeah, that is how I do it. And actually, when I designed this system, I should have taken, as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 segments, and actually if I thought it through properly, I should have done 3 of them, and then I would have it as in this part here, from here to here will be longer, so that at least I can hang dresses, because as you can see, my dresses are folded, but actually it's okay. It works. It still works very well. So guys, down here is where I have my jewelries. This is just how I decided to design these. I actually love it a lot, because honestly speaking, I think I will be searching forever if I used a different design, but I love it this way. These are my accessory, and I love every piece. I love watches, as you can see, especially the Swiss watches. Yeah, okay, I have some Daniel Wellington, but I prefer Swiss watches. I just love them. The quality is amazing. They have amazing designs, and yeah, I love them. Those are my just but a few of my jewelries. I don't have so much jewelries. I know there are people that really have a lot of jewelries. I don't have as much, but what I have is actually enough, and I keep buying more and buying more. And then guys, down here I have my scarves, just but a few, and some are just all over the house. This is how I arrange them, and I love the way they are. That is it. I just think you like these, I can quickly just pick one, and I always know where it is and which one in particular. So I find I find organizing them like this much better. And then we continue to the next segment, and it's actually nothing special. These are just some of my tops. Yeah. And the next segment are just my pullovers and some of the small tops. Nothing special in particular. I love arranging them like that so that it just helps me know what I'm picking without me messing up. Let's just make it that simple. And down here is just where I keep my trousers. I don't have so much trousers, but yeah, that's just it. And then we go to the next segment, and here, this is where I put actually my long dresses, the ones that I actually really can't have them fold. This is where I keep them, and I love them. And here I have most of my favorite pieces. Actually, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen this piece. I love it so much. Such a beautiful dress. Let me pick it out and show you guys. This is the dress. I love it, from Sandro Paris. I love this dress. It's so beautiful. Actually, when I saw this dress, I didn't even think it can be that beautiful, but I've just been loving it. I love it. Yeah, what else can I show you here? Yeah, actually, there's just so many long dresses. I love dresses, so I could buy dresses without an end. And then down here, I have some of my shoes, not really so many of them. As you can see, some summer shoes, because right now in Switzerland, it's winter time, so I can't get used to them. I love Steve Madden heels. I love these heels. They are so beautiful. Got them from Gaze, but the problem with these heels, they are so high. Oh my god. As much as I would love to walk with them, they are so comfortable, but just very high. So unfortunate. And then some Gucci heels. You guys know these shoes if you follow me, if you actually do watch my videos. Yeah, let's continue to the next segment. And the next segment is where I have my bags. As you can see, top there, bags. And I actually can't really show so well. Bags, and bags. Yay! And I love these Gucci bags. I love these bags. Amazing. As you guys know, Priscilla loves bags. And then I have this little lovely crochet from African Lily. I love it. I haven't worn it yet, but it looks amazing. Look how beautiful is this. Yeah, a Chanel bag, my one and only. And then Michael Kors, Kate Spade, you guys know these. And then I have this little beautiful blue bag. This is from Molerus. It's a Swiss designer, one of the best in Switzerland. Exactly. And then down here I have my Kate Spade tote bag, and then I have I have a Molerus tote bag again. This tote bag from Molerus. This is just the same design I have that has the blue bag that I showed you before, and I love it. It's such a nice bag. Very beautiful bag. I love the red color. It's amazing. And then it comes with a small Poche. You can also carry these just like, yeah, when you go out or for dinner. Yep. Guys, you might be wondering for what is this little thing here. This is just where I hang my clothes for the next day. For example, I can just show you how this is done. So when I get my stuff ready for the next day, I can just hang it there. It actually makes things easy, so you get ready in the evening and in the morning you're stress-free. I just love it. At the beginning I thought this was actually disturbing and didn't look nice, but this thing is so practical and I just can't do without it anymore. It's amazing. And then we continue to the next segment, and this is the place I just keep my dark and then blue stuff. Not necessarily anything special. Yeah, that's just it. Nothing extraordinary. And then down here I have more jewelries, the African jewelries that I actually really love. Yeah, that's it. And then we continue to the next segment, and this is where I keep my bras. I don't really have that much. I just kind of wanted to have the glass on the top part and the rest just covered, because I don't necessarily think I wanted people to see the pullovers and all that kind of stuff. You know, those stuff that you actually don't want people to see. And then down here I just have some t-shirts, and here I got my PGs, just so those homeware stuff. And then down here I have my socks and just the stuff that no one needs. And then we come to the last segment, guys, and this is where I have my red stuff, or pinkish, those screaming colors. Yeah, and here is my favorite item. Let me show you guys. So guys, I'm just going to show you one of my favorite items in my closet, and that is this amazing false jacket. Guys, I got this jacket from a special company in London, and I'm planning to do a haul of them. So I'm not mention their name today, but I'm planning to do a haul from their item. I got some items from them, and every time I get the items, I actually love their item. So this jacket has been amazing. Maybe I've worn these jackets like 4 times at most, of course due to the color, but it is just one piece that I really do treasure. So let me show you. Oh, this is it. Look how gorgeous is this. Gorgeous is this jacket. The quality is a dream, guys. It's a dream. I love it. I just love red. You see, red, and especially I just love trouser suits. I don't know why, but I love trouser suits. And yeah, and then I have this gorgeous red dress from Ralph Lauren. I love it. And then guys, we come to the lower segment where I have my belt. Gucci gang. If you love Gucci like me, you know, Gucci gang. Yeah, Versace, Vuitton. And I remember when I bought this Hermes belt, I didn't even know what the meaning of Hermes. So silly. With the watches, I love watches. Giorgio Armani. Oh, this was the first watch that my husband bought me when we met. Ooh. But it was white when he bought me. The strap was white, and then it's just very hard to manage a white strap, so I changed to black, and I loved another watch coming. It's just a messy area. And then this was for our wedding. You guys, did you have these I don't even know how you call it in English. I just know how you call it in German. Let me show you. Pempeyian and Oliver. 20th 12 2017. Yeah, I still treasure this kind of stuff. Yeah, and that's just a mess. My husband's mess. My husband's wife, Mont Blanc, he's a fan. Mess, and so on. And then these are just but a few of his watches that he just decided to come and fit himself in my clothing. Yeah, that's it. And then the secret corner, nothing special. My pants, I love Intimissimi. I just get all my pants from Intimissimi. And then there are those provocative, those, oh my god, should I? There are those naughty stuff from Agent Provocateur. If you know Agent Provocateur, you know what I'm talking about. They are just crazy, yeah. I mean, but they are so amazing. Actually, I can just show you this one. They are so amazing. Look at the design of this thing. Yeah, you just got to love them. But actually, sometimes I find their things too much, so I actually love their stockings more. That's it. And then here are just some of my African attires that you can really, they're so big you can't even hang them, and just but a few. You see, still have more space. That's it. And then again, Switzerland is cold, so we have pullovers and pullovers and pullovers. Yeah. And more pullovers. I just try to sort them by color, but sometimes it's not that easy depending on how big, how small the pullovers are, and so on. And in the last cabinet, we just have some towels because we have jacuzzi upstairs. So when we go to the jacuzzi, I don't like when people run to the bathroom with wet feet because you just dirtify the whole house. So you can just grab a towel. And here normally is my husband homeware. He keeps them there. That's the first thing he does when he gets home. Change back to homeware. Yeah, so that is actually pretty much it about this closet, guys. Let me just show you again the overall of it. That's just it. That's what you see when it comes up. And then on top of the closet, I have just but a few of my boxes. But actually I want to get rid of all this. I just actually don't like it. But anyway, and then we have a picture here of me and my hubby. Another one is here. I love these two pictures so much. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
And everybody knows I was also in the video.
You're such a mess, Chloe.
Yeah, I think everyone hears me, so I just have to give them a clue. I'm sorry, Mom.
So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you stayed until here, then I thank you so much. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any question concerning the Pax system closet, then just leave a comment in the comment section and I will get back to you. In the meantime, I wish you a good time, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so and come back. And this little monster was all around the whole time. Bye guys.
Bye.